equations. Okay, so totally there are 4 kinematic equations. In that we have completed first and second equation. Actually second we are discussing. So I told you I will explain 2 methods. One method I have explained by using what? Trapezium. Now another method, S is equals to ut plus half at square. So this is the derivation. For all the 3 equations you have to do half derivation, same to same. Explanation, graph and finding the slope is same for all the 3 equations. You have to follow up to that one. And by second continuation part you are considered to find a distance travelled. There I told this is the method 1. Now I am going to explain method 2. Which one you feel easy, you can do that one. This is method 2. So what you have to calculate here? You have to calculate this distance travelled. So right here, distance travelled by the particle or a body is equals to what? Area of triangle. Please tell me the triangle name. This is the graph mark. This is A, B, D and C. This is O. Yeah. Now you have to consider this is the AB line. Area under the line or curve we have to calculate. This is the first area. This is the second area. So first consider a triangle, then go for a rectangle. So triangle, area of a triangle is, can I write here? Half into length into breadth plus sum of areas you have to take here. Next, area of a rectangle, here OADC. Formula is length into breadth. Okay, now S is equals to, here half as it is length. In triangle this is the length. Length will be what? V minus U. Breadth will be what? It is tan T. Just write here length is V minus U and the breadth will be, can I write one more step here clearly? Otherwise students will struggle. Half into length can be written as a BD into breadth can be written as a AD plus area of a rectangle can be written as a length is what? BC into breadth is what? OC. Now substitute values. S is equals to half into BD value is V minus U into AD value. Say fast. This will be U. This is T. AD can be written as T now plus again DC value can be written as a U into OC is T. Okay. Now S is equals to half into, this is equals to what? By equation number 2. V minus U can be written as AT into T plus this will be UT. Just rearrange the term because both are plus only. First I will write this term UT plus half T into T square. S equals to UT plus half AT square. Both answers will be same. You can refer any one method, either yesterday's or this method. Yesterday method we are using a trapezium, only one formula. Here you have to use a 2 formula. One is for triangle, another is for rectangle. Which one you feel easy, you can do that one. Okay, now is it clear? Again here you can replace what? S can be replaced by S is equals to X and U can be replaced by Vt, initial velocity displacement. Okay, then what you will get now? X is equals to right, V naught T plus half AT square. Okay, superb. Again here X can be replaced by X minus X naught. If X can be replaced by X minus X naught, what you will get? X minus X naught is equals to V naught T plus half AT square. Yeah, just to take this X naught to right side. X is equals to X naught plus V naught T plus half at square. Actually these answers, these equations will be you will getting by doing calculus part, integration. After another 2-3 classes, I will take a class on integration and differentiation on basic things. Is it clear? Can I go for next? Can I erase the board? Writing part is finished. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ writing fast ಆಗಬೇಕು. You have to write along with me only because already you have done. Only few days back, not a long back. Students ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So in your board exam, maximum times they have asked about this derivation only. And next, the third equation. That's very important. Done. Separating fast ಆಗಬೇಕು. Okay. Now, third equation of motion. What is that? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? Okay. 2as is equals to v square minus u square, or v square is equals to u square plus 2as. Any type you can say. Right. Put aside heading. Third one, derivation of third equation of motion is v square is equals to u square plus 2as. Okay, this u square you can shift to right side, means what you will get? V square minus u square is equals to 2as. What are the variables here? V is what? Say everyone. Final velocity. U is what? Right. U is okay. 2 is okay. 2 is constant. Right, constant. A is acceleration. S is displacement. Okay, displacement. Okay, don't forget displacement. Right, we'll start the proof. First write explanation, everyone. Right, consider a body moving with what? Moving with uniform, right, uniform acceleration A. Let V be its final velocity. Good. Final velocity, and U is what? Initial, right, initial velocity. ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ t. Right. One more term. You have to write a s. S is what? And s is the distance traveled, or you can write a displacement directly. Distance traveled by the body, or you can write only one word, that is s is a displacement. Okay, miss idu bariyak bhala problem agtitri. It is too difficult, we can't write explanation annodu. At least you can write where u is what, v is what, a is what, s is what, t is what, everything you have to explain. Side box. This sentence ee tara bariyak difficult aaytu andre, again if you join all these words means you will get same thing only. Either you can follow this one or this one, but you should mention all the parameters what it indicates. So after the explanation, what you will do? You can draw the graph. Just take a graph, draw. X-axis mention here, y-axis, x-axis. This is origin. So particle having some initial velocity. Let us mark here, and after the some initial velocity particle is moving with a uniform acceleration and it will reaches the point B. Just join the line which is parallel to x-axis, then draw one more parallel line to time axis, then A, this will be D, this will be C. This indicates time because this is time axis. Everyone make it fast. This will be T, again this will be initial velocity. So if a particle reaches here means this is what your final velocity. E to O indicates what? Final velocity. This is velocity axis. Velocity axis. This is time axis. This right here, this will be theta. This is 90 degree. And here you will get what? BD, V minus U or AT. Fine. Graph is clear. So you got a 2 marks now. 1 marks for explanation, another marks for graph. Now from graph just write the parameters. What are indicates? OA is equals to this side. OA is equals to DC. Understand first. OA is equals to DC. ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? Initial velocity U. Right here U. Next. AD is equals to OC. Rectangle is there. Parallel sides are same. That's why AD is equals to OC. What you will get here? Time T. Next. EO is equals to BC. EO is equals to BC. That is final velocity. Next, one more thing. You want to get a BD. BD is what here? V minus U. How? BD is equals to BC minus DC. BC is V, DC is U. Clear? All the things are done. Now, we have to start from slope. After writing the parameters, go for a slope. So, how to calculate slope? Who will say? VT graph of slope gives what? Acceleration. So, here acceleration is equals to slope of VT graph. Always VT graph means velocity time graph gives what? Acceleration. Here slope is what? Tan theta. Always slope you have to calculate means what you will calculate here? Tan theta. Then A is equals to tan theta. This is equals to, again from this triangle tan theta can be written as opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is BD, adjacent is AD. Right here BD upon AD. Again BD can be written as, you want this portion means whole portion minus this one, that is BC minus DC divided by AD can be replaced by OC. Yeah. Now A is equals to BC value is V minus DC value is U divided by T. This is one type of equation. Let us make it as equation number 1. Just cross multiply. AT is equals to V minus U. This is equation number 2. And last one more equation you can write. V is equals to U plus AT. Yeah. Same huh? Any doubt? No doubt? Make it fast. ಕೇಳಿ ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ. So if you finished all these things means you will get a 5 marks. This is the first equation of motion. To go for second and third, further some more parts is there you have to complete. It is clearly visible and audible now to all. Reply me dear students. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೇನಾ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು? ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Then while writing without seeing board, we have to write yourself. Then we can say you are perfectly understood the concept. This is also very important, Amma. Aita? Everyone, can I erase the board? Okay, fine. Who will say what we have to do next? What is the next step? Up to this you will get a 3 marks. Then go for another 2 marks. Distance. S is there. Then S is equals to area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. What is the trapezium here? See, look at the board. O, A, B, C. Mention here. O, A, B, C. Then S is equals to trapezium formula, half into base into sum of parallel sides. E formula 1 mark irata. Sum of parallel sides. Now S is equals to half as it is base. This is the base OC right here. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾ explain ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ look at the board ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now sum of the parallel sides. ಈ trapezium ಒಳಗಡೆ parallel sides ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ? AO and BC. Right. Sum ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that's why add. BC plus AO plus BC. Order wise ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Now substitute the values. S is equals to half as it is. OC indicates what? O to C. Time axis T. Right. Right. Now AO indicates what again? A to O. Initial velocity. BC. Final velocity. That is U plus V. Up to this, any doubt? No, no. Now just replace here T value. How to replace T value? Go for equation 1. What is there? You are written there A is equals to V minus U upon T na. Just to replace here T is equals to V minus U upon A, cross multiplication. Just T na ikade replace ಮಾಡಿ A na ikade ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ. Then you will get what? T is equals to V minus U by A. Just replace here S is equals to half into, instead of T can you write V minus U divided by A into U plus V. This is understood? Any doubt? Right here from 1. Next S is equals to, this can be multiplied by 1 by 2A. Can we write separate? This will be V minus U and this will be U plus V. It is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. The formula will be A square minus B square. How the ನೆನಪಿದರೆ formula? A minus B into A plus B can be written as A square minus B square. Instead of A square B square, you can write a V square U square. I will write here S is equals to 1 upon 2A into V square minus U square. Okay, any doubt? Now do cross multiplication. 2A take a left side. What you will get? 2AS is equals to V square minus U square. Right. Equation number 4, or you can write V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. Equation number 5. Question paper dalli question ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ನಾಗನ ನೀವು ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Is it clear? Note down fast. Understand and write ma. Simply don't copy. Fix the question, 5 marks. Done? Jessica, are you present ma? Jessica? Present idi ma? Present or not? She is there. She can't speak. What happened now? Huh? For a long back you are not sending a single homework to me. Huh? Beginning you told her some technical issues or whatever it. Matta ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Can I erase the board? So derivation is completed here up to 5 marks. Equation 3, that is gives equation marks 3, and while writing the formula trapezium you will get a 4 marks. After calculation getting final answer you will get a 1 more mark, totally 5 marks. Right? Right, now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಜು ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿರಲ್ಲ reason, because from equation 1 if continue after equation 5 if s is equals to x, u is equals to v naught, and above equation 5 what will happen? What you will get now? V square is equals to u square, that is v naught square. Just replace here v square as it is, u can be replaced by v naught square plus 2a. S can be replaced by x, 2ax. Okay, this equation you are getting by doing integration. Will do. Right, one more step. This is extra for your competitive exams. Now if s can be replaced by, or x can be replaced by x minus x naught, x can be replaced by x minus x naught in above equation 7, what you will get? Who will say v square as it is, v naught square also as it is, 2a also as it is. Just replace x, ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೋದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರೀರಿ, that is x minus x naught. Yeah, this completes your third kinematic equations, that is equation of motions. Up to equation is khatam, 5 marks alige mugitu. This is extra. Now equation number 4. Ready now? Can I erase the board? Copied? Okay, note down. Farhan, what happened to you? Why are you not doing work? Finished, ma? Okay. Right. Next, fourth derivation. Derivation of Sn is equals to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. What is equation here? Sn is equals to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Right. Explanation. Consider a body moving with uniform acceleration a and uv its initial velocity. Now look at the board, everyone. Just imagine initially particle is here, okay, let us take it as a point and it will move towards a point B. Initially particle, objects, vehicle, person ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ. So initially ಏನಾದರೆ it will be at rest position at a time t equals to 0 and u equals to 0. Initially it is not moving. So to reach A to B, how much time it will take? Initially it is 0 means to reach A to B point it will take n seconds. Initially it is t value is 0. After reaching point B, the value of t will be what? N second. We don't know. Either it's a 15 second, 20 second. It will be n second. Is it clear? So this is what S1 displacement. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವೇನಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ? ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? This is clear. First part. Now the same particle is moving up to here. The particle is moving from this point to this point. How much it will take time? Let us take it as a S2 distance and this will be S1 distance. Right. See the board here. Initially first it is clear. A to B reach ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ how many seconds? n seconds. Next second ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? S2 distance cover ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ it is taken t is equals to n minus 1. I will tell. So everyone look at the board. Here it is your home. So home to your temple. Some temple is there nearby your home. To reach a temple, you have to measure the distance. How many distance it is there? Just you are measuring your steps distance. From here to here, just imagine this will be 20 steps. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step like that. You are having a 20 steps. After reaching a 20 steps, you will reach a temple or you are in the temple. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? 20 steps. ಹೌದಾ? So before temple ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಶಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. You want to purchase something. Means what? You will come back one step now. So that will be what? 19 steps. So you have to calculate. If you reach a temple means that will be what? Sn. Nth second. So if you are reached here somewhere, that is minus 1. n ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ. Sn is what? 20. So one step ನೀವು ahead ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? It will be 19. Then you can write here n minus 1. This portion is clear na? ಇದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. So first ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? Particle is at rest position, time is 0 and initial velocity is 0. So after reaching point B, it is taken n seconds. Next second case, what will happen? Particle is started from A and reaches somewhere here. So that will be S2 distance. To reach a S2 distance, how much time it is taken? T equals to n minus 1. Then you have to calculate Sn distance. That is the equation. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Diagram is clear. Draw it properly. This is just an example. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಜರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. That time you can use your steps na. So how many steps it is there? Clear or not, dear students? Okay. Draw the diagram. Finished? Let S1 be the distance travelled in n second. Is it clear? Correct? Is it right or wrong? The statement S1 be the distance travelled in n second. It is right or wrong? And S2 be the distance, who will say? Distance travelled in n minus 1 seconds. n minus 1 seconds. Is it clear? ಅದೇನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? S1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, S2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, how much distance it is covered in, how much time. Now S1 can be written as You know the formula. S is equals to ut plus half at square. By second kinematic equation, here instead of s you are writing a s1. Then how will you write? Here u. See here, t times we had taken here n. T can be replaced by n seconds. That's why it is un plus half an square. This is equation number 1. Any doubt? I have considered here equation number 2. Second kinematic equation. Just I have replaced the time here. Time is taken as a n second. Similarly for S2, who will say S2 is equals to u. N can be replaced by n minus 1. Right here n minus 1 plus half as it is, a also as it is. This n can be replaced by n minus 1 whole square. ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ 0 ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ S1 ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅ ಟೈಮ್ n second. That's why instead of t I have written here n. In second case what happens? To cover a S2 distance, how much time it is taken? n minus 1. Now everyone look at the board. Stop writing. Everyone stop writing. Simple mathematics is there. Here bracket multiplication is there. U take inside. What will happen? U into n is un minus u into 1 means u plus as it is. Again half a also as it is. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is the formula for a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Is that right? Minus 2ab. Just expand in this form, this bracket. Artha agtidena? Just expand here. Now this is n square plus 1 square minus 2n. Right? Now just multiply these two inside this bracket. Step by step I am doing the math. Just see here. S2 is equals to un minus u plus half inside multiplication an square plus a by 2 minus again a by 2 into 2n. Any doubt? Just each term a by 2 into n square, again a by 2 into 2 here, plus into minus minus 1 upon 2 as it is a into 2n. Here 2 get cancels. What is the final answer here? S2 is equals to un minus u plus half an square plus a by 2 minus an. Let us take, this is equation number 2. Aita? S2 and S1 clear? Right. Now see one more step. You have to calculate a S1. Means what we will do? You are going to subtract in whole distance by this distance, because you know these two S1 and S2 to get the distance traveled by the body in nth second. In nth second. Sn ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Sn minus S2. Okay? Sn is equals to Sn minus S2. Now substitute equation 1 and 2 here. You will get the answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Any doubt here? No? Just tell me the answer. Sn is equals to S1 value from equation number 1. It will be un plus 1 upon 2 an square minus as it is, write S2 term completely. Un minus u plus 1 by 2 an square plus 1 by 2 a minus an. Okay na? Next step ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. Sn is equals to un plus 1 upon 2 as it is. Here an square minus, just remove this bracket, plus into minus, minus un, again minus minus plus u plus into minus, this will be minus half an square, again plus into minus, minus 1 upon 2a, minus minus plus an. Any doubt? No, na? See here, plus un minus un cancel out. Next, plus half an square minus half an square cancels. What are the remaining things here? U minus half a plus an. Up to here it is clear? Everyone? No doubt. Fast agi note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, understand and write on. Concentrate on board while writing. What you are writing, try to understand and then copy. Simple mathematics is there. I have used the formula a minus b. Just expand it and multiply inside the bracket. Finished? ಮಧು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ? Okay. So finished. Let me complete the derivation fast. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. Just I am writing the remaining terms here. Sn is equals to here u, then minus 1 by 2 a, next plus an. Sn is equals to u as it is. Once again, stop writing and see the board. I will complete this, then you can continue writing. See here, just cancel out all the terms plus and minus. What are the remaining things, remaining quantities? Just write down here. Here left is plus u minus 1 by 2a plus an. I have written here u as it is. Here you can take a common, so minus, or minus you can take inside plus a. Here you can write a 2n minus 1 divided by 2. Just see here, you can multiply inside means, so what you will get? A 2n divided by 2 means 2 get cancel. Again you will get a an term plus an. अर्थ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ना? Next inside multiplication means again a by 2 or 1 by 2a. Clear? ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ? Sn equals to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Just inside multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is what required equation of motion. Completed? ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮಾ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ? Understood na? Okay ma, right. Get ready for problems. Mentally how to prepare. ಎಲ್ಲ derivations ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ 2-3 times and send me.